Ram is saying, can't the price after accepting above the range stop, just pull back to shake out weak breakout traders and continue the up move? So what you essentially are saying is there might be an attempt to shake off these weak hands, right? So we go here, we drop sharply, and then we continue back again. This can happen. This can happen. Absolutely. There is no reason why it cannot. So let us look at Nifty chart, and you can also see that we have a nice clean breakout so far. And what can happen, we keep forming this P shape, and then suddenly you get an inventory adjustment break, and now we are probably panicking that okay, this might be a false breakout, and then it goes back up. Can happen. So this can be used to shake out weak hands and then again go back up. So this is what I mean by creating hypos. All right, now you are saying that okay, this might happen. This is an inventory adjustment break. It can test below this low and still go back up. Okay, there might be some volume attached here, so it can test that and go back up. You are prepared for this inventory adjustment break, but is it a guarantee that it will happen or it has to happen? No. When it happens, okay, there are again two possibilities. Either it is an inventory adjustment break and it fills this gap, goes back up, or tests this small balance and goes back up. Good. But it can also be this can be a fails breakout, and then we can go below this and start accepting inside. So when the fall is happening, people will usually fall in the inventory adjustment category or the fail breakout category. But as market profile traders or as CTF traders, what we are going to do, we are going to observe the market, right? So what I mean by that is we are going to observe how this fall, if it happens, plays out. Whether it comes here and gets rejected quickly, or whether it comes and starts spending time. Time will be a killer here. If it spends time, fail breakout is more likely. If it gets rejected quickly, inventory adjustment break is more likely. Right? So now we have that idea, which other people don't. Most of them don't. They don't know what we are looking for here. All right. So uh, don't fall into groups. Don't categorize in your mind that you want to be on one side or the other. You either want to be a failed breakout trader or you want to be an inventory adjustment trader. Just wait for the market development. All right. Now usually what happens is when you say that okay, Dean, can this happen? Once I say yes, it is a possibility, you get biased and now you're not thinking anything else but this possibility. That is not the correct way to do it. So even if this is a likely possibility or highly likely possibility, you still keep other possibilities in mind. You keep watching the market development here, and then if it supports, then join, and then get on board. Make sense? So that is the correct way to look at things.